I've been so busy. Like, I can't even explain to you how ridiculously busy I've been. Sitting on my couch, sipping rum, watching TV. Man, it's just been getting crazy. This is what I've been doing since I've been doing all this stuff. I tried cleaning my garage. I tore it all apart, tried reorganizing, and all I did was made a big mess. And then I put it all back and gave up. Some of the stuff I took to the dump and got rid of it, but there's still more to do. Then I decided I'm just gonna have my brother paint my house because everybody knows I'm too lazy to do it. I ain't doing that stuff. I ain't getting off the couch. Why not collect needles? I mean, you're in Portland. Okay, just kidding. Time to buy a truck because there's nothing else better to do. I got me an old farm truck. This is Caleb's first drive in an old tractor truck. Where's your Wranglers?
These are Wranglers.
Oh, are they?
Yeah.
Where's your cowboy boots?
There she is.
It's kind of fun. Isn't it kind of fun, like an old ratty truck, like tractor driving?
A little bit.
As you guys can see, I got a square body. This is my first four-wheel drive square body, so it's a K10, and it's ugly. But despite all its ugliness, it is super straight and pretty clean, all except for that spot right there. Bed's clean. It's got worn hubs. So this originally came with a straight 6, but there's it says it's a 305 in there now. This still has the SM465 4-speed with the granny gear, but the transfer case is actually a 208, and the dead giveaway on that is the fact that it's aluminum and it has a circle badge on the front of it, so, and it says 208, so it's a 208. It just smells like an old farm truck in here. I'm keeping those Scooby-Doo floor mats in here though. Dirty, but clean. Oh, that's nice. A little homemade shackle deal for those seatbelts. Should probably look into that. Don't like this vinyl though. It's got to go. Dash obviously needs some repair. Got the, I think it's a factory AM factory radio. I did a little cleaning of the door panel. It's not that great. It needs to be painted. But yeah. Gotta take care of, look at this tack. Nice paper numbers. And then why do old people always have to have clocks in their trucks or cars? I'm surprised there's not a compass on the dash. It's got dual tanks. I don't know if they work. He said they work, but I'll try and see. But this thing is just fun to drive. It's just like driving an old tractor. Needs a little bit of work done here, but nothing that's really bad. One thing that sucks, same problem I had with my orange 73, is that with my fat belly and this big old steering wheel and no tilt, it's really a tight squeeze for me to drive this. So I haven't been driving it too much, but the thing is to find one of these with a tilt column for a floor shift is hard. But I prevailed. I got a legit, I think this is like an 83-ish or something, so everything should be like the exact same, but it is a tilt column for floor shift in the right year. So everything should just unplug and plug up just like it's supposed to. So this definitely needs to go in there. And then the steering's pretty sloppy, so I'm gonna get rid of this joint and do the Jeep Cherokee upgrade that lets you totally get rid of the rag joint. This will be just like this. And it'll get rid of that rag joint and make it a splined universal. Which is nice, because this was only like 60 bucks off Amazon. So I'm hoping that helps tighten up the steering. If it doesn't, we'll do like a little adjustment on the steering box. And then if that's still not it, I don't know if I'm gonna worry about it. Maybe get a shock stabilizer, I don't know. But I really don't know what I'm gonna do. I really just got it on a spur of a moment, saw it, liked that it had a 4-speed. And that it was so straight. I'll take that bumper guard off. And I don't know. I think I was kind of kicking around the idea of making a 4x4 Nova with another body, because the wheelbase is like 6-inch difference, 6.5-inch difference between this and a Nova. Just doing a totally stupid redneck 4x4 Nova, but I thought, oh, I could just sell this body and stuff, but you know what, I think this one's too complete and too clean to do that with. I feel like I could easily find a frame, but that was just an idea. Another idea is just to do probably like a 4-inch lift with 35s. Could do 6-inch with 37s, but then I'd have to totally re-gear everything, which I don't know if I want to. I don't know. I honestly don't know what I'm gonna do with this. I don't even know if I'm gonna keep it, so tell me what I should do. Maybe I should just sell it. Tell me if I should just sell it, because it's not gonna interfere with the Nova. I still got stuff to do for the Nova, but the weather's just now getting a cool week from what it's been. It's been horrific. Haven't wanted to come out here, so yeah. I did put in a new shift boot. And I'm way happier with this one than I am with the first one I got. Look at that. I dig it. You can actually take that boot off, because it snaps to the base and then it velcros, so you can take the boot off without having to take the knob off. So it's kind of cool. And I think it looks good in here. I think it fits. So I'm stoked about that. They had a few different lengths. I think there was a short one. I think it was like 4, 6, and 8-inch tall. And this is the 6-inch tall one. So that's what I went with. But yeah, I'm pretty happy with that. Haven't touched the charging issue. it holds power fine if I just keep the switch off, so that's what I've been doing. Just flicking the switch when I go drive it, and then when I park it, flick the power switch back off. So that is something I haven't addressed, and I don't want to right now until it cools down, so I can still drive it. I got another aesthetic thing for the car that is actually, I think it just shipped today, or a stupid shipping label was made, but that'll be here hopefully within a week. And it is for the outside of the car. What more could I do to the outside of the car? We'll find out. Anyways, let me know what to do with that pile. Sell it, fix it, keep it, I don't know. Be cool if that was so clean, running and reliable that I can just get rid of this hog and just have that. I don't know, let me know.